Stock photography, monetizing your photos online. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, where we explore the secrets of stock photography, monetizing your photos online. Stock photography offers a way for photographers to monetize their work by selling images online. This can be a lucrative avenue for those with a passion for photography. Here are 10 key points to consider when entering the world of stock photography. Before we start our video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support is invaluable to us. Number 10. Quality matters. To succeed in the world of stock photography, it's crucial to ensure your photos meet the high-quality standards set by stock photo websites. These platforms have strict guidelines regarding image resolution, focus, and composition to maintain a professional and consistent image library for their customers. Your images should have a high resolution, typically starting at around 4 megapixels and higher. This ensures that your photos are suitable for various uses, including printing. Secondly, your photos should be in sharp focus, with no blurriness or distortion. This requires using the right camera settings and techniques to capture clear and crisp images. To maximize your success in stock photography, also pay attention to keywording and metadata, as these factors greatly influence the discoverability of your images by potential buyers. Number 9. Diverse portfolio. Creating a diverse portfolio in stock photography is key to attracting a wider audience and increasing your chances of sales. A diverse portfolio allows you to cater to different themes, concepts, and purposes, appealing to a broader range of potential buyers. Start by considering various categories such as nature, travel, lifestyle, business, and technology. Each category can be further divided into subcategories to cover a wide range of topics. For example, under the travel category, you can include images of landscapes. Additionally, diversity in your portfolio should extend beyond just subject matter. Consider diversity in terms of demographics, cultures, and lifestyles represented in your photos. This inclusivity can make your portfolio more relatable and appealing to a global audience. Number 8. Keyword optimization. Using relevant keywords and tags is essential in stock photography to help potential buyers find your images when they search on stock photo websites. Be specific and descriptive, using terms that accurately represent the content of your photo. Think like a buyer and consider what keywords they might use. Include synonyms and alternate terms to increase visibility. Also, include location and context keywords if applicable. By using relevant keywords and tags, you can improve the discoverability of your photos and attract more potential buyers. Number 7. Model and property releases. When selling photos commercially, it's crucial to have the necessary releases for any identifiable people or private property featured in your images. A model release is required for photos featuring recognizable individuals, granting permission for their likeness to be used commercially. Additionally, a property release is necessary for images showcasing private property such as buildings, artworks, or interiors, especially if they are distinctive and recognizable. Without these releases, you may encounter legal issues or restrictions when selling your photos for commercial use. Number 6. Keep up with trends. Staying updated with current trends and events is essential in stock photography, as photos related to trending topics can be in high demand. Monitor news, social media, and industry publications to identify emerging trends and topics that resonate with a wide audience. Consider seasonal trends, holidays, and cultural events that could inspire relevant photos. By keeping abreast of what's popular and in demand, you can create timely and relevant content that appeals to buyers looking for fresh and topical images. This proactive approach can help you stay ahead in the competitive world of stock photography. Number 5. Exclusive versus non-exclusive. When entering the stock photography market, you'll need to decide whether to sell your photos exclusively on one platform or not exclusively on multiple platforms. Selling exclusively on one platform can lead to higher royalty rates and potentially more prominent featuring of your work. However, it limits your ability to reach a wider audience and diversify your income sources. On the other hand, selling non-exclusively on multiple platforms gives you more visibility and a broader customer base. However, you may receive lower royalty rates and face increased competition. Consider your goals, the quality of your portfolio, and the specific requirements of each platform to make an informed decision that aligns with your objectives in the stock photography market. Number 4. Marketing your work. Promoting your stock photography portfolio on social media and photography forums can significantly boost your sales by increasing visibility and attracting potential buyers. Share your best work regularly, engage with your audience, and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Participating in photography communities and forums allows you to network with other photographers, gain valuable feedback, and potentially attract buyers. Building a strong online presence not only helps showcase your skills and creativity, but also establishes credibility in the industry, making it more likely for buyers to trust and purchase your images. Number 3. Understand licensing options. Familiarizing yourself with different licensing options is crucial in stock photography to understand how your photos can be used by buyers. Royalty-free RF licensing allows buyers to use the image multiple times without paying royalties, offering flexibility and cost-effectiveness. Rights-managed RF licensing provides more control over usage, with pricing based on factors like usage, size, and placement. While RN can be more lucrative, it may limit availability. By understanding these options, you can choose the best strategy for pricing and distributing your images, maximizing your earnings and ensuring your work is used appropriately by buyers. Number 2. Patience and persistence. Building a successful stock photography business takes time, patience, and persistence. It's common to face initial rejections or experience slow sales as you establish your portfolio and reputation. Use these challenges as learning opportunities to improve your photography skills and understand market trends better. Stay committed to creating high-quality images and promoting your portfolio. Over time, as you build a diverse and appealing collection, you'll likely see an increase in sales. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Instead, stay focused on your goals and continue to refine your approach to achieve success in the competitive world of stock photography. Number 1. Continuous learning. Staying updated with the latest photography trends and techniques is essential in stock photography. Continuous learning can help you improve your skills and create more marketable images. Follow industry blogs, attend workshops, and take online courses to stay informed about emerging trends and new technologies. Experiment with different styles and techniques to keep your portfolio fresh and appealing to buyers. By staying current with the latest developments in photography, you can adapt to changing market demands and maintain a competitive edge in the stock photography industry. Stock photography can be a rewarding way for photographers to earn money from their passion. By following these tips and staying dedicated to your craft, you can increase your chances of success in the competitive world of stock photography. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on stock photography, monetizing your photos online.